Hello children, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. In this video, we will see the differences between real image and virtual image, which is the one of the most important. Either they may ask for 2 mark question or else 4 mark question. From chapter number 1, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Okay. Now what is the difference between real image and virtual image? So the coming to question point number 1, real image is the formation of image due to actual intersection of reflected rays. So what is the meaning of that point? It is the image which is the formation of actual intersection of reflected rays. Okay, let me draw the diagram. This is our concave mirror. Okay, so this is our incident ray which is incidenting at the point on the concave mirror. After meeting at this point, it has to reflect back, right? Suppose this is our second incident ray which is incident on the surface of concave mirror. After it has to be reflected back. See here, student, this is our reflected ray 1 and this is our reflected ray 2, as they are going to meet at this point. Okay, there you will get this is our image point, right? So incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray, as they are going to meet at this point you will get the image at this point, and that image we call it as real image. You are getting my point? Real image is the formation of image due to actual intersection of reflected rays. These are called reflected rays. Where they are going to meet at that point, you will get real image. But whereas virtual image is the formation of image by extending the reflected rays backwards. By extending the reflected rays backwards, right? So this is our convex mirror. This is the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it must be passes through. After reflection it must be passes through the focus. You are getting my point? This is our incident ray. After incidenting at this point, it will reflect back like this. But if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a convex mirror, after reflection it must be passes through the focus. It appears to be coming from the focus. Actually, it appears to be coming from the focus. See, if we extend this is our focus. So suppose this is our second incident ray. After reflection, it appears to be coming from the focus. See, here is the image point. Virtual image is the formation of image by extending the reflected ray backwards. See, this is our reflected ray 1, we extended backwards. This is our second reflected ray, we extended towards backhand side. So here you are getting the image point. This is our image point. But actually they are not intersecting. We are extending the reflected rays towards backhand side. After extending, they are going to be meet at one point. So that is, here is the image you will get. That type of image is called as virtual image. You are getting first point. Once if you understand the concept, then only you can write in the exam. But real image is the formation of image due to actual intersection of reflected rays. You will understand. Suppose if you forgot also, easily by understanding the concept, you can frame the sentence there. But whereas virtual image is the image formed by extending the reflected rays backwards. Next, coming to second point, it can be caught on the screen. What is the meaning of caught on the screen? Because the image formed in front of the mirror. Suppose when we are standing in front of the mirror, our image will be formed on the back side of the mirror, right? So it can be caught on the screen. We can see the image on the screen. But whereas here it cannot be caught on the screen because image is forming back side of the mirror. You're getting my point? This point, it cannot be caught on the screen. Real image we can caught on the screen, but virtual image it cannot be caught on the screen. Coming to the third point, it is an inverted image, whereas it is an erected image. What is the meaning of inverted image? What is the meaning of erect image? Inverted means, suppose this is our mirror. If you place an object like this is object O dash. Suppose you got image at this point. Suppose you got image at this point. Where you got image? So simply I will say suppose this is our object which is above the principal axis, but whereas image we got below the principal axis like this I dash. Object is called O dash, whereas image is called I dash. Object is above the principal axis and image is below the principal axis. So this is called as inverted image. Inverted means if the object is like this, suppose this is our object which is in front of the mirror, then after you will get the image in this manner. Okay, so object is above the principal axis means image will you will get below the principal axis. That is called as inverted image. But what is the meaning of erected image? Erected image means object is above the principal axis means image also you will get above the principal axis only. Both are into the same side. Then that is called as erected image, right? So the third point, it is an inverted image, real image, whereas virtual image it is an erected image. Now coming to fourth point, the rays of real image meet at the image point. See where they are meeting? The rays of real image. This is our rays. This is our ray 1 and this is our ray 2. They are meet at image point. They are meeting at the image point. But here the rays of virtual image appears as diverging from the image point. Chudandi, as they are appears to diverge from the image point. The rays of virtual image appears as diverging. They are diverging from the image point. The last point, it can be formed by using concave mirror. So real image is formed by which mirror? Concave mirror. But whereas virtual image is formed by both plane and concave mirror. Sorry, I wrote wrong here. Both plane. It can be formed by both plane and convex mirror. I think you understood, students, which is the one of the most important 2-mark question and 4-mark question. So as I am planning to explain one most important questions from our physical science textbook. Okay children.